YouTube, this is Oksana with Craft and More Design. For those of you that are new here, welcome to my channel where we talk about all things DIY and sublimation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe below. For those of you that are returning, thank you for coming back. Today's video, I'm actually going to do a review on this sublimation ink that was sent to me by this amazing brand named Hiipoo. So thank you for sending this over. I'm so super excited to utilize this ink. So when you order this, you can find it on Amazon, and I'll post the link below. It'll come with 4 different colors, which are standard: the black, the cyan, the magenta, and the yellow. So you'll also have syringes that come included with everything that you need, and you will have this bottle of ink colors. Now you will need to purchase a separate ink cartridge, which you can also find on Amazon, and I will post that link below as well. And all of these, it actually shows you which colors go where, and you will use either the syringes that come included with the packet or that come with the original Hiipoo brand. Regardless what you choose, you'll get the same result. So I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll insert it and do a test run, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. And if you don't know how to convert your Epson 7710 or 7720 into a sublimation ink printer, you can actually check out my other video. I'll post the link right above in this video, and I actually show you step by step on how to convert it. Check it out. So change of scenery, this ink can actually get pretty messy, so make sure you're in a place where you don't mind if it does spill, that you're not going to ruin, brand new furniture, your clothes, or anything like that. So this is exactly what it looks like out of the package. And I'm using the syringes that actually came with the Hiipoo box, just to give you the full review of the actual sublimation ink and how it looks straight out of the box. Protect your hands with the gloves that come included, which is amazing. I love this feature. Thank you, Hiipoo. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the black ink. Now, if you notice when you unscrew the cap, you'll have this little plastic top on it. It is important that you take it off, otherwise nothing will pull up. So go ahead and just take some pliers or use your nails and go ahead and pop it off carefully. And then go ahead and take your syringe, make sure it's at the very bottom, and then you'll go ahead and carefully suction up. Just be careful to avoid any kind of air bubbles. So we'll go ahead and do that carefully. And then we'll go ahead and insert it into the fill hole right in here. Just carefully insert it in and push it down. So if you notice that you find little air bubbles like that pull up, just take a napkin and carefully pop it out of the way and just start over, filling it slowly and steadily. So once your ink cartridge is filled, go ahead and just clean up the top with a napkin. And take your little black piece and close it in. And you'll go ahead and just leave that back hole open for the purpose of ventilation. So once I'll fill up all of these ink cartridges, we will put them in the printer, and then I'll show you guys a test print, how it looks once it's all done. It's so hot out here. Georgia weather. So I just used this Hiipoo ink to print out this image, and I'll just show you guys in comparison to the ink that I typically use so that you can have a totally honest review in comparison on which ink is better. This Hiipoo is definitely a little bit cheaper on Amazon, so if you can get a lower cost ink for better quality, then thumbs up for me. So here we go. So if you look at this in comparison, I wrote the Hiipoo brand beside it, and then the brand I typically use, which is Printer's Jack. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these both onto my fabric test sheet. So Hiipoo will be on the right hand side. I am using butcher paper that I got from Amazon, and the HAVE Sublimation paper I also got from Amazon. I will post those links in the comments below. So let's go ahead and put this in for 45 seconds at 360. Alright, so I'm going to start with this Hiipoo one. So when you remove it, nice and vibrant and very pretty with the colors. And I got this image on Etsy. Now this is a Printer's Jack, also nice and vibrant. So overall, I would say Hiipoo is definitely the better option. Not only can you save money, but you also get really, really beautiful, vivid colors. So that's it. So thank you so much, Hiipoo, for sending me this amazing ink. I am so happy and pleased with how vibrant the results look, and definitely will be using them again. So if you guys are getting into sublimation ink, make sure you check out my other videos, subscribe, and tell me what you think. Tell me if you use this and what your thoughts are, but best of luck to you guys, and again, thank you, Hiipoo.
And I think that the Hiipoo brand is more vibrant than other brands. This is the Hiipoo brand here, and I would buy the Hiipoo brand. Yep, and I'm going to now pull. Actually, the rabbit is gone. So, anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe below, and have a nice day.